Hey there, smartphone users. Is your phone battery draining faster than usual? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll share quick and practical solutions to fix battery problems on any phone. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a phone that lasts longer and performs better. The first thing you need to do is identify apps that drain your battery. Here's how. On Android, go to Settings, Battery Usage. On iPhone, go to Settings, Battery. You'll see a list of apps using the most battery. If you spot an app consuming too much power, either force stop it or uninstall it if it's not essential. Your screen is one of the biggest battery hogs. Reduce the brightness or enable auto brightness to let your phone adjust based on your surroundings. Also, shorten your screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds. These small changes can make a big difference. Some features quietly drain your battery when you're not using them. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not in use. GPS or location services unless necessary. On both Android and iPhone, use airplane mode. If you don't need connectivity for a while, it's a quick way to save battery. Outdated software can lead to bugs and poor battery performance. Check for updates. On Android, go to Settings System. Software Update. On iPhone, go to Settings General Software Update. Updating can optimize battery usage and fix hidden issues. When your battery is running low, enable Power Saving Mode, Android, or Low Power Mode. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.